Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well, and if you are new here, then welcome. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So today I will be bringing you guys some information on how you could build your personal credit and build your business credit if you have a business. So today we have a lender by the name of Earniva. Now, as I mentioned, you can build your personal credit with this credit card in your business credit. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can get a fast and instant decision whether you are approved or not for this MasterCard. You can also receive rewards on purchases, credit for your business, perfect credit not needed. So I do recommend this credit card if you have a 525 credit score and below. And for your business credit, no credit is needed to be able to be approved for this credit card. Now, with this credit card, you can access to your credit for your business, which means you'll be able to watch your personal or business credit grow. They do give you free monthly reports on your personal or business credit. Now, with this credit card, you can also receive 1.5% cashback rewards. Perfect credit, again, is not needed. I do recommend a 525 credit score to be able to be approved for this credit card. Now, you can also receive again, unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchases. For complete terms and conditions, you must visit their website and visit the link. Now, the application process is very simple and straightforward for this credit card. So, with this credit card, you could be approved between $300 up to $1,500, but this is all based on credit worthiness. Now, your credit limit can increase by making your minimum payment on time each month for 6 months after activating your card. Then, after that, if they feel that you have been making your payments on time, you could get a limit increase up to an additional $200. Now, as I mentioned before, you receive 1.5% cashback rewards on every purchases, and you can also earn cashback rewards credited each month. They do report to all three major credit bureaus. So again, this can help you build your personal credit, and they will report to your business credit as well. Now, this credit card is accepted at 40 million locations online and app and in store as well. And as you guys can see, the application process is very simple and straightforward. All they will need is your name, your address, your email, phone number, date of birth, your total monthly income, and there is no documentation needed for this as well. Okay, now if we scroll down, the annual percentage rate APR for purchases is 29.9%. The APR for cash advances is 29.9%. Now, I highly do recommend making your payments on time if you would like an increase for this credit card, because again, the initial credit limit for this card is between $300 and $1,500. Okay, now they do charge a interest charge that could be less than $1. They also have a setup and maintenance fee, which is $35 the first year, $35 after that. Now they do have transaction fees as well, cash advance fees, $5 or 5% on the amount of each transaction, whatever is greater. Now, also, they have penalty fees. Late payment fees is up to $41. Over limit fees is up to $41, and return payment fees is $41 as well. Now, I do recommend this credit card if you are trying to rebuild your personal credit or build your business credit, okay? Now, again, the initial credit limit for this credit card is between $300 all the way up to $1,500, okay? Now, if you guys are looking for a way to help you build your personal credit and your business credit, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you guys hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.